Yeah, but sometimes that Zoneslop be slapping, though.
Howdy ho.
Howdy ho.
Or what they say, Privyet. Well, I've done some work out here in the zone, stalking and stuff like that, and today has been a great haul. Got some food, got some artifacts, and today has been a great day. Now, I gotta get this off me. So, today I'm going to go show you some great cuisine from the zone. And I got the entire feast right over here. So let me get it out of my pack. Darn it. The zone offers some great freedom, and sure, you have to deal with the wildlife, the bad people, but hey, how is that different than anywhere else in the world? Okay. So, I'll show you in my pack about what I'll show you in my pack about what I got. Yeah, so we got a pretty good haul today, boys. Got ourselves some artifacts. Got ourselves got some vodka. And gotta eat what's in here. Some bread. Some energy drink. Tushchanka. It even has mutants on it. Nice. And some doctor sausage. Yeah, so that's the entire meal right over here. Let's go put that in a bowl. Let's go and have ourselves a little bit of a feast here. Try the So first I'm gonna go have some doctor sausage. Now, pretty new to the zone, but hadn't died, so that's pretty neat. Got some fat, some spices. Let's have a little bit of a nibble. Tastes kind of like Slim Jims, but better. Not gonna lie. And you know what would be great for this? Some bread. Now I don't know how bread has ever gotten here, and it's fresh. Like, surprisingly it's not bad. Maybe we can like, darn it. Hey, I'll wash it down with vodka in case there's like radiation dust on it. I mean, I ran out of MREs. I literally had to like shoot a man with it just to get this food. But hey, bandits aren't people. So, Dr. Sausage, pretty good. Bread, not bad. And still wash it down with a little bit of vodka. Refreshing. Now, for these tourist delights, I'm not sure. Pretty rare that I'm able to like actually find one with the label still on. Bizarrely enough, it's in English, but also in Russian. It's kind of weird, but one is that this is the first time I've actually seen one with a label on it. And two, I think the theory is that they actually like harvest the animals in the zone and then put them in these cans just to feed them to the stalkers in the military. Because these definitely look like mutants. So this, I don't know what to expect when I open it. Well, let's go and find out here. Can we set you down? Smells like beef. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Maybe they killed one of the mutants and put it in the can, but I can't really tell. Let's have a little bit of a nibble. Kind of reminds me of dog food in a way. Really not bad. Actually tastes like beef stew. It is not bad. Be pretty nice to go out on a campfire, but yeah, I don't know. Just that these days, like, it's not great to hang around outside. Emissions, people getting shot in the at the campfire, people getting shoved inside a campfire while they're alive and they burn. It's crazy. Not bad. Now, Stalker branded energy drink. I don't know. No sugar, plenty of energy. See how it tastes. Not bad. Surprisingly cool. Well, I think it's just Comrade over here. Got the food over here isn't bad, but to be frank, I think there needs to be more variety in the diet over here. I think it's a great way to like lose your gums and lose your teeth and go crazy. Especially if you're only eating like 5 total things. Maybe they'll straighten something out. But yeah, Happy New Year from the zone. Remember, don't get shot, act accordingly. Oh yeah, off camera the next day I decided to just eat the leftovers of the Tushonka canned beef stew. Threw it on the stovetop, added a bit of red pepper flakes, and honestly it didn't taste bad once heated. Looks kind of gross if it's not, but once it's heated up actually is passable, so I ended up eating that as my lunch. Along with half of a tuna salad sandwich. I need to get out of this. Man, this is annoying.